It used to be a temple, and then it became a fortress. From a fortress into a monastery, from a monastery into a castle, from a castle into a manor house, and then a shelter for shepherds and their flocks. This is Castello di Romitorio, that today is an art workshop and finally a winery. 1984 is when Sandro Chia, one of Italy's most prominent artists of the 60s, created this spectacular place that can be seen from Montalcino's fortress all the way down in the middle of the forest of the Val d'Orcia. This is the Riserva. We are on the northern slopes, 2015 vintage. Very austere, burnt soy sauce, earthiness, prunes, and a sage character, like a smoky character as well. On the palate, you can tell that the wine is from the northern slopes because it's quite tannic. It's a Riserva, so it's meant to age for a couple of decades at least. So you're gonna be getting this iron, like very strong minerality. Once again, this herbaceousness. You have to wait like a few minutes before the tannins actually melt down in very sweet and supple fruit.